Hi everyone! Have you ever had a conversation with someone who made you feel truly heard, like your words genuinely mattered? Someone who speaks more through their actions than their words and seems to understand you better than you understand yourself. And just when you least expect it, they remember something you had completely forgotten. That's the ISFP spirit. Their warmth, creativity, and quiet depth make every moment feel special. Welcome back to Connect Within TV. Let's explore what makes them truly special. ISFPs are ultimate safety nets. Like a warm hug, they radiate care, compassion, and comfort, creating a sense of appreciation and belonging. They have a way of making everyone feel seen, heard, and understood, fostering a feeling of everything is going to be perfect. They have got a heart of gold and will listen to you for hours on end, offering words of wisdom and comfort. Their listening ear is a safe haven. Talking to them feels like a refreshing rain shower off your mind. They are like a balm to a wounded soul. They provide a safe space where you can express yourself freely, and it feels as though a burden has been lifted off your mind. A judgment free zone where you can open up and share your deepest secrets without fear of criticism or rejection. They see the good in everyone and with unconditional love and acceptance, they embrace people for who they are without trying to change them. Those who are fortunate enough to have an ISFP in their lives are deeply appreciative of their roles and for the positive impact they have. ISFPs may not follow a strict plan, but they are great at going with the flow and tackling tasks in their own way. They struggle with routines and schedules and focus on what is important to them. They tend to approach things in a flexible, unstructured way. ISFPs value personal freedom and authenticity, making them great at fostering deep one on one connections. Their strength is not in keeping the entire team together with rules and order, but in creating a space where people feel understood, appreciated, and free to be themselves. ISFPs have a quiet but funny side, often in the form of playful teasing. They can be funny without even trying because of their honest, straightforward reactions to things. Also, since they live in the moment, they sometimes forget plans they made 5 minutes ago. They are the type to show up late, holding an iced coffee, like, oh, was that today? They may forget schedules, but their memory for meaningful moments is scary accurate. They will forget the meeting, but remember exactly what you were wearing when you first met. ISFPs have a super sharp memory. Their brain is a database of details. They possess an incredible ability to recall even the smallest details from your birthday to your anniversary. Favorite foods, coffee, drinks, and even that one random snack you mentioned 3 years ago. And yes, they will show off with it years later. They remember every single detail. It is like they have a master's degree in understanding you. They will make you feel like royalty, and you will be left wondering, do they have a magic memory book or what? They exhibit an impressive quality to recall conversations from years ago and pick up where they left off, demonstrating their genuine interest and appreciation for you. This remarkable ability makes the other person feel understood and supported. ISFPs are highly protective and will stop at nothing to safeguard those they care about. If they identify a potential problem, they will take the initiative and move mountains to protect their loved ones from hurting. ISFPs are naturally drawn to careers that allow them to help others, provide practical support, and create a sense of order and stability, such as teaching, counseling, healthcare, social work, even planning, human resources, or any other field that plays best to their strengths and allows them to make a positive impact. However, these amazing individuals need a positive and uplifting environment to grow and reach their maximum potential. They should learn to speak up and express their needs and feelings, setting clear boundaries, having faith in themselves, and being open minded in their approach to embrace new experiences with a willingness to change. And that's a wrap on ISFP Type 4. Did that resonate with you? Have you ever had an ISFP friend or family member who showed you kindness in a way that made you feel truly seen and appreciated? Share your story in the comments below or share it with someone who needs to hear this. Your story can change lives. Subscribe to Connect Within TV and start your journey towards a more self aware, empowered, and mentally liberal you.